Assalamu alaikum, adab, good evening dear students. As you know that we have already completed the active voice and passive voice. We have completed all the rules and I have already given you some examples also. But today we will do the exercise of this. But this exercise have to do to you, not to me. आज आपको ये एक्सरसाइज करनी है। मैं आपको यहाँ थोड़ा दिखाऊंगा कि क्या क्या आपको है। तो पहले आपको टेस्ट करना है अपने आप से, फिर आपको मैं यहाँ ही आंसर भी दिखाऊंगा। तो फिर यू विल फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल राइट द आंसर अकॉर्डिंग टू योर व्यूज। आफ्टर दैट you will check the answer from the answer key. I will show the answer key also, because practice makes a man perfect. Grammar is like the mathematics. The more you will make the practice, the more you will understand. As I always says you that language is caught but not taught. That you have to remember the things. You have to apply these things. In short, please do this exercise. After doing this exercise, see the answers also. There are so many different types of the exercise here. This I have taken from one book. If you will like, I will send you more exercise. If anybody among you will like, please see. If you have any doubt, you can say me. This is activity number 1. But this is for you. This is activity number 1. Please, sorry. You can take it a screenshot. After taking it a screenshot, you will solve. I hope that you have taken the screenshot. Please take another one. Maybe, yes, take like this. Take like this. Yes. Please take the screenshot. After taking the screenshot, I hope that you will solve. You will do it is passive voice. I hope that you have taken the screenshot. Now this is the answer. Now you have to check your answer with this. I hope that you are mature and you will not cheat, because if you will cheat, you will not harm me, you will harm yourself. At least one should be honest with oneself, if not with others. At this time you have to be honest. This is another exercise. This is another activity. I hope that you may have taken the screenshot. Once again I say that after taking the screenshot, please do the exercise. Please do its answers. After that you have to check your answers with here the key. This is the key of these ones. Please be honest at least with yourself. Don't be dishonest. Please do this activity. This is the answer. I hope that you will do yourself. Yes, this is under. Please take it a screenshot. Please wait. Yes, take now it a screenshot. I hope that you have taken the screenshot, and after taking the screenshot, you will solve this. There are some more examples. Please wait. These are few more of this exercise. Please take it a screenshot also. These lower one from 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 second. Maybe it may. Yes, I hope that you may have taken it a screenshot. I say about these which are below from 5. Yes. After this, please wait. Yes, please wait. Yes. Now take the screenshot of this also. No, we have already done this also. Now you have to, we have already done this also. Now this, please take it a screenshot. I once again say that please be honest, because this is grammar. Grammar is like the mathematics. In case of mathematics, you have to do more exercise. The more exercise you will do, the more confidence will come to you. Please take it a screenshot. After taking it a screenshot, please solve this upon the rough, upon the copy. This is another one. The more you will make the exercise, the more you will gain the confidence. I hope that you have taken. Please take it a screenshot also. I always say you that I have too many books. Don't worry for that. So many students recommend me for books, but you have not to buy any book. I have the books and I will share whatever I will think that will be necessary for you. Some say me, sir, what is this is a solution now. Now you will check. Now you will check your exercise. Now you can check. But please do this. Please do this. Yes. Some says me, sir, please say us the name of the book. It is useless to say you the name of the book, because I always say you that I have thousands of the books. You cannot buy so many. I see that wherever will be the good rules and good exercise, I consult that one. Please take now the care. See what you have done, because this is the solution of those. Yes. I hope that you may have done good. If you have any problem, if you have not been able to understand somewhere, you can phone me, you can call me, or you can send me the message, text message. Yes, now another exercise. This is another exercise. Now we will start. This is the passive. Now another exercise. Exercise number second. Blanks. Sometimes in the examination, blanks are posed. Please do this. Fill the blanks. I hope that you have filled the blanks upon your copy, upon your rough copy or somewhere else. Please do this also. You can pause your mobile also, or you can pause this lecture also wherever you feel as. Otherwise, the good way is that take the screenshot, and after taking the screenshot, you have to follow. Yes, this one. You can take the screenshot, or this is 11. There is some 1 second. Probably there was the 11. Yes. This is 11 is our allies dash support, because it is not full. Yes, this is 17. Take screenshot, or you can also pause. I think that screenshot will be better. Now this is the solution. You have to check now that how much you have done, how much are connected to you, so that you can check yourself that where you stand. Yes, this is another one. This is another exercise. 1 second. Yes, take it a screenshot once again. If there will be something which will not be visible to you, don't worry for that, because you have to not get its full meaning. You have to only see the rules. You have to apply the rules. I hope that you have taken it to screenshot. Wow. Probably this was the solution. Now this is a solution. You can check the solution. That is answers. Now check what you have done. I hope that your score will be good. Please wait. Yes. Now this is another type of exercise. I once again say, if somebody will like to do more exercise, I can share them. I have left so many exercises in between, because if I will share more exercise, some students may become bored. This is, you have to spot the errors here. If it will not be visible to you, you can message me. I will send you maybe. And this is the answer. Please wait. Yes, this is the answer. 1 second. Assalamu alaikum. Adab. Good evening, dear students. Yes, this is. I hope that you have done this exercise, this activity. It will be helpful for you. If you have faced any problem, you can call me or you can message me. But still, I say you that please do this. This will be helpful for you. Thanks. I hope that your score will be good. I also always recommend you my another channel whose name is Salim Sir's English for All by Salim Sir's Academy. Please subscribe that channel also, and please share that channel with your relatives, with your friends, because there I have discussed about the 12th class and 10th class in Kashmir University, first year, second year, third year, up to 5th, and Jammu University also some lectures of the distance beard, and also I have already completed there the BG courses of IGNO. Please watch that also. Thanks. I hope that you have solved this exercise, this activity. It is compulsory. I always say you that without applying the rules in practical life, they will be useless. Thanks. Okay. Good night.